In this time I will show you how to crochet beautiful cord for wedding made of hearts. This is double-sided cord. This is the second example that I made of variegated yarn. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain. Chain 2 more, 1, 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet into this stitch. Chain 2. Then I will be making double crochet stitches, not finish. At the beginning I will work with this side, then on this side. Turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, make first one, not finish. In total it should be 6 of them. First is done, we need to crochet 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Pull through first 2 loops, we have 2 loops on the hook. Now turn the work. Then I will work with this side. Yarn over the hook and make 6 double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. The first heart is ready. And we continue the work. Let's make the second segment of the cord. Chain 2, 1, 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the center of the heart. Make double crochet. Chain 2, And let's repeat again. 6 double crochet, not finish. Make the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Make 6 double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 loops on the hook, then pull through all loops on the hook. The second segment is made. Then chain 2. Then yarn over and double crochet into the middle of the previous heart. And the base for the next segment is made. So continue working in this way as many times as you need. Today we have learned how to crochet simple double-sided heart skirt. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. For example, I have made exact cord of variegated yarn. Here how it looks. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharoneknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week. Only at sharoneknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharoneknitting.com. Thanks for watching.